If you ever need to change the year in Google Calendar, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move to a different year inside Google Calendar so you can quickly jump to the date you need without wasting time scrolling endlessly. This is a simple but really useful trick, especially if you're trying to plan something far in the future or check dates from a previous year. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're in the calendar view, look at the top left corner of the screen. This is where Google Calendar shows the current date navigation, and it's the area you'll use to move through months and years. Now click on the date navigation at the top left. Depending on your view, you may see the current month and year displayed there. This is the control that lets you move around the calendar. If you want to go forward, use the right arrow. If you want to go back, use the left arrow. As you click the arrows, Google Calendar will shift between months. And if you keep going, you can move across years as well. So if you're looking for a specific year, just continue clicking until you reach the correct one. It's a very straightforward process, and once you get used to it, you can jump through dates much faster. If you need to get to a future year, keep clicking the right arrow until the year changes to the one you want. If you need an earlier year, use the left arrow in the same way. You can use this method to browse through your calendar step by step until you land exactly where you need to be. And that's really all there is to it. Changing the year in Google Calendar is just a matter of using the date navigation arrows at the top left and moving forward or backward until you reach the year you want. Simple, fast, and easy to remember. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.